6,000 marketers already use this, and they are crushing it. If you missed this 2 years ago, don't miss it again. This might be the last chance you get to snag this. Hello good people. I want to share with you the number one most important lesson in all of business. Ready? Here it goes. Success equals preparation plus opportunity. In other words, success happens when you are in the right place, at the right time, in the right mindset. Let me give you a really quick example of the importance of this concept. 2 years ago a little plugin called Instabuilder was launched. The link is in the description below. It sold 6,000 plus copies in just 7 days. Crazy, right? But here's the even crazier part. It completely revolutionized the way that people started building sales funnels. People who were making exactly £0 per month were now beginning to see real profit from their business. Why? Because they were at the right place, at the right time, in the right mindset. And everybody who ignored the plugin, well, they just kept on making that £0 per month. Now, the reason that I am teaching you this today is because Instabuilder is opening its doors again. After 2 years of development, tweaking, and testing with their 6,000 plus customer base, the owners of Instabuilder have decided to go public. For the first time ever you can get access to the new and improved version of the plugin that completely transformed the sales funnel creation industry. Check it out below this video. Like I said, the link is in the description below. Now, here is your chance to be in the right place, at the right time, in the right mindset. To your success. Your friend D at Money Save.